Thank you so much for joining today. I am Bristy, and today I wanted to showcase how did I do my hair, and with this glitter. Of course the glitter is optional, so you don't have to do it. So I don't know what am I gonna call this hair right now. This is something I came up with when I was like 12 or something, and I was just playing with straightener and I didn't have a curler or anything, so I didn't know how to curl my hair. So just any straightener will work. And for the glitter I just used this hard candy palette. So for eyeshadow you don't need an eyeshadow palette, but any type of glitter will work if it sticks to your hair. So that's it. Glitter is optional obviously, so I don't know if you can even see it or not, but it's there anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let's see how did I do it. So this is my hair after I blow dry it. It looks a little crazy, but whatever, who cares. We're gonna make it perfect now. Anyways, so I parted it wherever you want. You can part it. I parted it here. I'm combing it a little bit. You don't really have to comb it nicely, but I'm doing it. And now I'm taking about as much as your finger about this much, you can see, about this much, and then I'm going to twist it this way. So I'm just going opposite way from my face, so just keep on twisting it, and then with the straightener just basically press it. But yeah, I don't go all the way down just because I just don't. I set it on high. You don't really have to. It's not really good for your hair, but I do it. I do what I want. So after you do it now, it's gonna hold just like this. You don't have to hold it in your hand anymore. Now it's not enough, so I have to keep on going. And another tip, you can just go like straight, and then it's gonna do a longer side. So now it kind of holds up on its own, so it kind of is done. Do not do anything with that, and then go for the next part. So kind of similar thing. Just part it, kind of comb it with your hand. You don't have to comb it all nice and tight. Just go opposite direction from your face, and then same thing. So you don't have to purchase any special straightener. Actually, any straightener will work. So just whatever you have, just work with that. Let's see if it holds up. No, it doesn't hold up. So if it doesn't hold up, that means it's not done yet.
Nothing seems the same, always on the go now.
Alright, so I did off camera most of the hair, and now just one left.
You don't pick up the phone now, when you know I'm never home now. Tell me when am I gonna see you? Cause I've been missing your body right beside me. Tell me when am I gonna see you? Driving me crazy, I can't take this. All I wanna do is be right there.
So now as you can see, it's done. This is not done actually. Now you'll go ahead and just unwrap the hair. Don't be too harsh with that. Just unwrap a little bit, not extremely. Little by little. As you can see, it's peachy wear. It's not even peachy, I don't know what to call it actually. I don't know what to call it, so if you have a name for it, please let me know. Comment it down below and let me know what should I call this hairstyle. then you can stop it right here and it's done, as you can see. But I'm a little extra, so I'm not gonna stop it here, and I'm gonna do something a little bit more glittery, so wait for it. So this is an eyeshadow palette from Hot Candy. This is the glitter palette, as you can see. If I can open it. Opened it. Anyways, I don't know why. So this is the palette, and I'm going to take, well, with any type of brush, I'm going to take the silver one because it will look good with my hair color. I'm going to put it in the hairline. Okay, now it's done. So after that I just patted it a little bit, and that's it. I'm done for any type of party. I don't know if you can even see the glitters in here or not, but anyway, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and if you guys want to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, my username is at Bristy and my Twitter is at Bristy Sultana. So please tweet me. No one tweets me nowadays, I don't know why, but yeah, tweet me. And that was it, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it. Love you. Bye. Hi guys. Is it gonna make sense? No, make noise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay. Oh my god, it looks like I have dandruff. Lillian, does it look bad? Can I go out like this?
Bad? What bad?
Dandruff. Can I go out?
If you want, just keep it. But if you don't want, just get rid of